everyone, this is Sheetal Sipin Matre, and today's topic is really very interesting. The topic is how the remaining of 2020 is going to be for you. Alright, so this is pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. Before we start the video, I want to thank for the awesome response that you guys have given for my online tarot workshop. In case if you have not enrolled and you want to have more details about the workshop, you can WhatsApp my team on 9820533750 and they will send you the details. All right, so just breathe in, breathe out, and ask your guardian angels the very important question that, dear God, Goddess, my guardian angels, how the remaining of 2020 is going to be for me, and then pick a card. Okay, pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. All right, hello pile 1, how are you guys doing? So today we are going to see how the remaining of 2020 is going to be for you. We are also going to check the runes that you got, the message from crystals and the message from angel numbers as well. Okay, and of course the oracle message and which god goddess are with you for the remaining of 2020. Okay, so let's begin. We'll keep your beautiful card that you selected over here. All right, and now let's see. So I'll keep it over here so that you can see. So July, August, expect a recognition for your work, expect a lot of hope, expect that you will be able to balance really well. You will be giving a lot to other people, the universe. You have a lot of knowledge, and with your knowledge you're going to help a lot many people. Also what I'm seeing is that you are going to be feeling better. All right, in July and August, recognition, rewards will come your way. You will also I feel that some of you will take some sort of treatment for their feet. If you have been having a lot of feet ache, or your legs have been feeling heavy, so the cards are saying that there will be some relief. All right, overall I feel your intuition is going to be extremely high. You will be able to get guidance for whatever you're going through with the help of your intuition. If you are in the field of acting, modeling, expect more fame coming your way. All right, so let's see. September, October for pile 1 is going to be full of competition. You will enjoy that competition. Also I feel that there will be people cheering you up, and there will be some people who will cheer you up, and there will be some people who will be like, let's see how this person is going to overcome this particular competition. But you'll be able to do really well. You'll enjoy whatever life is giving at you. There will be a lot of angels surrounding you, helping you out in this competition. I also feel that in July, August, the opportunities that are going to come your way will lead to this competition. All right, and you will be able to shine really well. You will be able to defend yourself in a very humorous way without getting offended. But do expect competition, do expect some sort of politics. All right, but you have to ensure that you handle this entire politics in a very diplomatic way, at the same time in an assertive manner as well. The next card, that is November and December, you have got 6 of Cups, which means lot of you will spend a lot of time giving to the society. This card clearly shows me that you are a giver. Okay, that is coming very strongly to me. So in October, November, December, life will give to you as well. You will have people who are in a good position, people who are in good power, helping you out. Okay, they will be very kind to you, they will give you opportunities. I also feel that there will be friends coming your, you will be able to meet your friends, or you will be able to get in touch with long lost friends as well. Okay, I also feel that the universe is going to bless you with a lot of love in November, December. All right, so it's so awesome when I'm seeing your cards. Okay, here in July, August, you alone are ensuring that you come out of the waters, okay, and you shine. And then in the month of August, September, you are surrounded by so many people and you are winning. Okay, whatever you're doing, you're winning in it. And then in November, December, you're resting because of all this work, all this giving that you have done. In the month of November, December, you are receiving kindness, receiving love. I also feel that the universe in the month of November, December will place a crown on your head, which would be some sort of award, reward, or some sort of recognition, is what I'm getting in November, December. Now, let's see what the other cards are saying. The blessings coming your way, okay, is the Queen of Cups, which means a lot of emotional maturity, lot of psychic power, psychic abilities. All right, I also feel that you will get that your connect with the divine is going to be very powerful. Okay, you will have your angels and the divine supporting you, telling you, hey, we have your back. So you're going to get a lot of support from the universe. You yourself are going to counsel others beautifully. You will also get guidance from others in a very, very amazing way, is what I'm getting. Interestingly, here there's a water element, here there is cups, again a water element, and even Queen of Cups is a water element. So emotional satisfaction, emotional happiness is what you're going to get in the next 6 months of 2020. Okay, the thing that you need to be careful of is Six of Pentacles, which means you need to have balance in giving and receiving. Since you're going to give so much of giving, you have to ensure that you balance it out in November, December by receiving. And even Six of Pentacles is telling you the same thing. So ensure that you are just not giving or you are just not receiving. Maintain a balance. Also be very careful where you invest your money in, whom you are giving your money to. Okay, be very careful, and only then give anybody money or loan, is what this card in particular is telling. Okay, now let's see what your tarot cards are saying. Okay, but you've got a lot of cups. You've got 2 cups and 1 card again which has got a lot of water in it. Okay, so a lot of emotional well-being is what the next 6 months are going to be. Of course, the month of September, October is going to be little bit of here and there. If in the video, if I mention this card as August, September, I'm sorry, this is July, August, September, October, and November, December. Okay, now let's see what your oracle cards are saying. Affirmations. So you will have to ensure that since you have so much of giving happening in the coming months, you need to be positive. You need to keep your cup filled. Okay, only then you will be able to give others. All right, so ensure that you are keeping yourself extremely positive. You're ensuring that you are not just focusing on others and not yourself. The next card that you have got is Consult an Expert. So as I told you, you will have a lady, okay, who will be emotionally matured, helping you out. So don't hesitate. If you want, when you are facing any kind of competition, okay, don't hesitate to take help. All right, because at times we are so reluctant to receive support, all right, that we end up on going further in life because we never took the support. So don't do that. Whenever you feel you are stuck, or whenever you feel you are not able to handle it all by yourself, take support. Okay, this is what even the Six of Cups is telling you. Take support. There is support available. There is an expert, highly wise person who is there to help you. So consult an expert wherever is required. You've got the card of travel. Okay, so what this card is telling me, that from being alone to having company. Okay, there is going to be shift. All right, there is going to be a forward movement. You are going to get that position. You are going to reach ahead in your life. Do not worry. So there is going to be travel from wherever you are right now. You will move towards better times, is what this card is telling me. The next card that you have got is music for manifestation. Okay, I'll keep this card over here. So this card is telling you that I'll keep this card over here. Okay, music for manifesting. So this particular card is telling you, if I combine it with affirmation and music for manifestation, this card is telling you that spend time listening to meditation music, or maybe listening to sound healing, because that will really help you to heal. And at times when we are really low, we hear some song and our mood just gets uplifted. So do that. Okay, the goddess that are there with you is Goddess Parvati. We who now, as you can see, okay, Goddess Parvati is the goddess who helps a person to go ahead in life. She is along with Lord Ganesha. So Lord Ganesha is also with you, who will remove obstacles, and Goddess Parvati will give you the strength that you need for the next 6 months. You have also got the Kamdeva card, okay, which is the god of love. So expect your love life to be better. All right, also there will be a lot of passion which will be there, or which will kind of help you to go ahead. So what an awesome goddesses you have with you. You have Parvati. All right, so defeating enemy, victory over battles. Okay, see, interestingly here there is a battle, and here she is saying victory, because see, that's my daughter, if you can hear her. Okay, so see, over here there's a battle going on. All right, and look, over here she is kind of placing a crown on her head, which means that you are going to be the winner. Okay, whatever this is going to be, you are going to win. And even Goddess Parvati is saying the same thing: defeat of enemies, victory over obstacles. And you have got Lord Ganesha also with you, who helps in removing obstacles. All right, and so beautifully the Kamdeva card is also telling you that success in love and romance, and lot of happiness. So emotional happiness, emotional well-being is what I feel is going to come your way in a very, very major way. All right, and yes, there will be help available, as consult an expert card is also saying. So guys, you're going to have a really very good remaining of 2020. Okay, now let's see what your love cards are telling. We'll first see love message for singles. Put away the computer. Friendship. Second chance. All right, so I feel for singles, you guys have been focusing too much on work, so you need to keep away your work and focus on your love life, is what I'm getting. Also, there would be a friend via whom you will meet somebody, or there would be a friend whom you may realize that what, we have more than friendship going on between us. Also, there is a high possibility that there may be a proposal that you had not considered, or the proposal did not consider you, coming your way again. All right, so do not just write off the proposal, or do not write off a fresh proposal because you think it may not work out. At least see the proposal, talk to the person, and then decide whether you should reject or whether you should consider it. Okay, now let's see love message for people who are married. regret, finances, and warning. Okay. So, as a couple, you have been facing a lot of financial issues, or there have been some sort of financial decision that you took which did not really work for you. I somewhere feel that mostly there is a possibility that you gave loan to someone and that person is not returning your money, and your partner is upset because of that. So yes, finances are affecting your marriage or your relationship. So the cards are warning you that don't let finances affect your marriage, all right? Because later on you will regret the way you treated someone or how someone treated you. They will regret. So ensure that finances don't come in the way of your married life, is what these cards are saying. Now let's see what rune you have got. Okay, lovely. So you have got a rune of water, which represents fertility, which represents dreams. So yes, this is saying again, interestingly, it's a water element, and the tarot cards that you had got, okay, also had a lot of water element in it. So as I said, okay, that emotions are going to be of importance for the remaining of 2020. Okay, interesting, right? How the cards and the runes resonate. Let's see what angel numbers are saying. 27 and 11. So yes, the angels are asking you to keep your thoughts positive, because the universe is going to capture your thoughts and it is going to present to you whatever you are thinking. The numbers 2 and 7 is telling you are on the right path. All right. So don't let your emotions divert you from the right path by being overly sensitive, or by not tuning into the inner strength. I also feel the angels are asking you to have faith, because 1 plus 1 is again comes to 2. So again, moon energy, again the water element. So yes, my friends, next 6 months are really important. You are going to grow emotionally. Now let's see what angel message you're getting via crystals. Okay, so see, interestingly, again, clear quartz, which is a crystal of manifestation, and labradorite, which is a crystal of intuition. Okay, and as your tarot card was suggesting, okay, intuition. So you really need to the crystals are telling you that you need to shield your aura. Okay, and you need to focus on positive thoughts. That's what you had even got when it came to your angel message. Okay, you got the card of affirmation. All right, so emotional strength is going to take you to places. So the crystals are also telling you to key into your emotional strength, because that's going to really help you. So this was your message, pile 1. I hope you resonated with it. Write down in the comment section what you resonated with and how did you find the reading. If you found the reading interesting, do like the video, and do subscribe to our channel if you're already not subscribed. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Hello pile 2. So all those of you who chose this particular deck, that is the After Tarot deck, here is your message. I'll keep your card over here. All right, so let's see. The month of July, August, it seems that you may miss an opportunity in July, August. So ensure that you don't do that. Also, it may so happen that you may feel bored, you may feel where the life is going, and you may feel a little bit fogged. Okay, so the angels are telling that there is messages that will come from the universe. Listen to it rather than being busy in your own thing. Okay, listen to the messages, listen to the guidance that the divine is giving you, because that will really benefit you. All right, September, October, you got Queen of Pentacles, which means a lot of money coming your way, fertility, creativity. You will be appreciating. I feel that, what I'm getting, guys, is that, when you will feel like, things are not going your way in July, August, you will listen to your divine guidance. Okay, you listen to the voice that is coming in your, heart, and you'll follow the guidance, which will lead to prosperity, which will lead to abundance. Okay, there will also be a woman in the month of September, October, who will help you to go ahead. Business will start picking up if you are in a business in the month of September, October. Okay, you have then got the card of Two of Wands in November, December. So see how beautiful it is. All right, you will, after listening to your inner guidance, you will start flourishing, and you will flourish so much that you will be, getting the love, the support of people around. Okay, you will shine in the world. All right, you will aspire to reach the world. Okay, to make a business or to get more recognition, and in the month of November, December, you will get that support, that recognition. So November, December, expect things to get better, like some sort of international opportunity or some sort of international connect will happen in the month of November, December. Also, you can expect, if you're single, you can expect some sort of good news coming your way in the month of November, December. All right, but listen, because July, August is the key. Okay, then what blessing, okay, is coming your way? So you have got the Eight of Swords, which means that, all right, that you are, over here, see, as you can see, the mentality is not that great. Okay, however, the blessing coming your way is there will be somebody who will rescue you. Okay, it may be your own inner strength, all you may know. All right, so you will break free from the victim mentality. Also, I feel that you will do prayers and all to remove your obstacles which you are facing, which are not letting you go ahead in life. So definitely, blessing coming your way is you're going to break free from all the obstacles, from the patterns that you have kind of created, or you kind of are in. Okay, thing that you need to be careful of is the Wheel of Fortune, which means that, do not miss an opportunity. There will be an opportunity coming your way, so ensure that you do not miss it. Okay, also the card is of movement, so ensure that you are just not stuck, okay, in your thoughts or in your mindset. You need to be creative. Okay, because as they say, a rolling stone gathers no moss. All right, I also feel that you should not take chances in gambling or any kind of unnecessary risk, is what this card is cautioning you about. Okay, now let's see what the oracle cards are telling you. So you have got the card of your desire is within the reach. So that's what even this message the angels are giving you. All right, that whatever you are desiring is within the reach, so don't give up. All right, don't give up. Just be positive. The next card that you have got is friendship. Okay, see, over here, this particular person is helping this lady out. Okay, also here you can see there are two people who are ensuring that things work out for them. So definitely you are going to make some great friends in the remaining of 2020, or the existing friends that you are having, they may help you in some way. The next card that you have got is Divine Magic. So expect a lot of miracles happening your way. Okay, because you tend to have this kind of mindset, like especially since it's July right now, you have this mindset that nothing can work for me, or I don't know when things are going to change, or I feel so stuck. So this particular card is telling you that change your mindset, be more positive, expect miracles to happen. The next card that you have got is Big Happy Changes. All right, what an awesome card to get. So as you can see, there are major changes. If you see the Queen of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, okay, they are very good cards to get. So expect a lot of happy changes coming your way, provided you need to listen, you need to be more positive. Okay, and not surprisingly, the goddess who is with you is Kali Ma, who is the goddess of uh, endings and new beginnings. She's a goddess of transformation. So definitely transformation is what is going to happen, because the moment you're going to break out of your pattern, that itself is a huge transformation. So she is going to help you in this entire change. The next god which is with you, it's Matsya, which is the fish avatar of Lord Vishnu. So definitely, Lord Vishnu is going to, he who is the caretaker of the universe, he is going to help you to bring in more abundance. He's going to protect you. All right, see, protection against natural disasters. Okay, so right now we know the kind of natural disaster we all are going through. All right, and this particular card is also telling me that he's going to bring in that new opportunities in your life. Okay, now let's see what the love messages for this group is. So let's see the love messages for singles first. Retreat, addiction, and decision. So I feel that you guys, pile number 2, singles, okay, you tend to be always into relationship in which the other person is not either equally interested as you or is not giving you the respect that you deserve. Okay, so you need to avoid getting into unrequited kind of an equation, or you need to stop being obsessed. Okay, even when you're obsessed with your love life, when am I going to get married, when I'm going to, when you're constantly obsessed with your love life, you are creating blockages for yourself. So stop getting so addicted to your love life as to why is it not moving, when it will move, and kind of retreat. Okay, which is kind of, at times when we let go of things, that's when they actually happen. So you need to kind of let go. Also I feel that you need to take decisions. Okay, you tend to kind of always take decisions which are not working out for you. So you need to sit down and you need to figure out that why things are not working out for you. And once you figure that out, if identify, do you have a pattern of attracting people who are not that invested in the relationship, or not that invested into you? What is it, okay, that you need to figure that out and work towards it. Okay, now let's see love messages for people who are married or in relationship. Okay, so the love message is very clearly telling that whoever you're with, okay, is the one for you. However, yes, you are a little bit upset with your partner because the balance in the relationship is not there, because you're so busy doing the work or so busy doing whatever it is that you're doing, that you have forgotten to what it is to laugh with each other, what it is to have just a cup of coffee together without discussing about heavy topics. So the angels are asking you to kind of don't get so busy, okay, that you don't have time for each other and you lose that connect, is what this card is telling you. Now let's see the rune messages for pile 2. Okay, okay, so not surprisingly, you have got the rune, which is a rune of kinship, friendship, joy, comfort. And see, you guys, okay, let me show you the cards once again. You guys had got big happy changes, and you had got friendship, okay, and you have also got the rune which talks about kinship, friendship, which talks about joy, comfort. So definitely a lot of good things are going to come your way, group 2. So awesome is that. Okay, now let's see what messages the angel numbers are giving you. 9, 10 and 51. So the messages that is coming, the angel numbers are telling you that follow your life purpose, don't delay. It is also saying that the creator loves you, and start focusing on your ambition, your desires, and not just get stuck in what did not work out for you. Also, the angels are telling you the number 5 is suggesting positive changes. So yes, a lot of positive changes coming your way, but keep your thoughts positive too. Now let's see what the crystal messages the angels want to give you. Okay, even pile 1 had got the clear chords, and even you guys got the clear chords. So the clear chords is telling you that think clearly, okay? Don't be so fogged all the time, okay? Remove that fog out of your mind and remove that victim mentality also. And the bloodstone is telling you be brave, be courageous, don't there, be confident. And it is also a stone of prosperity, so a lot of prosperity is going to come your way, guys. That's so beautiful. So group 2, this was your message. If you like the reading, do write in the comment section what you found interesting about the reading. Also do tell me what resonated with you. Please note it is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. So thank you so much, group 2. Have a great day ahead. Hello group 3. So all those that chosen this beautiful Chariot card, okay, here is your message. July, August, lot of family time. You are going to really enjoy. There'll be some good news in your family. It could be a new addition in the family, or it could be somebody getting married, something to do with your family, and which you'll be really very happy about. All right, there'll be a transformation that will take place, which will really give you a lot of happiness. I see a lot of colors coming your way. I also feel that most of you will be seeing rainbows in the sky, which will be a message from the angels that they are with you. Also, I feel that you guys will be seeing a lot of butterflies, okay, in the month of July, August, which will be kind of a message from the universe that yes, transformation is for you. I feel that a past loved one will also give you messages through flowers, okay? They may send you, you may receive out of the blue a WhatsApp message which will have an image of a rose. So remember, that's like your a loved one. I'm getting the mother energy sending you love, okay? September, October is going to be a time wherein you need to kind of stand up for yourself. You will need to be more assertive. You will need to be more resilient, okay? You should not give in, okay? You should stand up for yourself. And I feel that even though forces will be against you, you will have a huge backing from the universe. All right, follow the right path, and all your opponents, all right, will just not be able to do any harm to you, as you have got a huge backing of the universe. So September, October, just stand your ground, be assertive. November, December, the angels are saying that your intuition is going to be really very high. You will have a lot of knowledge, you will have information. However, they're asking you to be careful with whom you will share the information. I also feel that there will be some of you, there will be a wish of yours that will get fulfilled, is what I'm hearing from the angels. In the month of November, December, a wish will get fulfilled. I also feel that some of you will get recognition in the month of November, December. That's what I'm hearing too. I feel that there will be a lot of cosmic light that will help you to ascend spiritually in the month of November, December. Now let's see what gifts are coming your way, what blessings are coming your way in the remaining of 2020. So interestingly, the blessings coming your way is 10 of Pentacles again, which means family security. There will be, some of you may get some inheritance or that property that you have been waiting for, some of you. Also, I feel that there would be some sort of religious ritual that you guys will do in the remaining of 2020, which will really help your ancestors, you as a family. I feel that there will be, some of you will also get some pet in your family. So new addition, some of you will get, some of you will have security, financial windfall, and see, both the cards have rainbows in it. Okay, so definitely a lot of brightness, lot of positivity. You guys have Archangel Raziel with you, who is the archangel of who helps to know the secrets of the universe. So definitely you are into a vocation, or you are into a career which requires you to tap into your wisdom, to tap into your intuition, and this is going to be really helpful for you for the remaining 2020, as your intuition is going to be high. Okay, now let's see what kind of challenges you guys are going to face. So I feel that you need to be very careful. You got the card of Magician, so you need to be very careful of the manipulation, the deception that some people may try to do to you. So ensure that you are very wise and you don't get manipulated by anyone. All right, I also feel that you need to utilize all the resources that you have, and just not just not ignore it. The angels are telling that you have it in your hands to make it. All right, so don't kind of give in. Overall, when I'm seeing your tarot cards, I'm feeling that there will be a lot of spiritual growth in the year 2020, you guys, and lot of family happiness, lot of as you can see, you got 2 tens. Okay, 10 of cups, which means emotional happiness, and 10 of pentacles, which means material happiness. So you are going to get best of both the worlds. What else would one want? I also feel this particular pile has been feeding dogs, taking care of animals, and all that positive karma is coming your way. Yes, there are people who are trying to manipulate, or who are being jealous of you. So be very wise, because you have a very strong intuition, and your intuition tells you exactly who is doing what. So listen to your intuition and just don't ignore it. And yes, you need to forgive them as well. The next card that you have got, Oracle C, you have got the card, whom do you need to forgive? So in order to ascend, okay, in order to move spiritually, okay, you need to forgive people who have done wrong to you, because that's how you feel light, right? So forgive all those who have been kind of mean to you, because understand, you as a soul are at a higher level and they are not. And even if they try to fight, they team up and they gang up against you, you are the one who is going to be the winner. You are the one who is going to come. See, can you see the transition? From here he is fighting, and here this particular person is on a step, on a pedestal. Okay, who is on a pedestal? When somebody has achieved something, that person is put on a pedestal. So see, even if there is a fight, you are the one who is going to win. So that is how you're going to get that family security. The next card that you have got is Synchronicity. All right, which means that you have been praying for miracles to happen, so the entire universe will come together to give you what you need. Okay, so do not be worried on that. The next card that you got is Spiritual Teacher. So I feel many of pile 3 people are into teaching, education, learning, development, or communication of some sort. So the angels are telling you that yes, your life purpose, okay, will ensure that you get the material success that you need, and also ensure that you get the emotional satisfaction that you crave from your profession. Also I feel that you guys help many people with your teachings, with whatever you communicate. You are one of those people, when people come to you with problems, you'll actually listen listen to them. All right, you just don't write them off saying, oh my god, you know what, this person is complaining. You actually listen to them, you try and give them solutions. So definitely all that positive karma has resulted in support from the universe and has also resulted in material and emotional happiness. Then you got the card of rest. So this particular card is telling me that you have been working so hard, okay, emotionally you're always on the go. So the angels are asking you to take it easy, to rest, to I also feel that there will be a family addition. Okay, some of you will experience a family addition in the form of a child coming in the form of a pet coming in, or maybe getting married. Okay, the god with you is Lord Shiva, and that's wow. Okay, and Narsimha. All right, so Narsimha is the Lord of protection. So now you know what kind of support is behind you. So no matter whoever will try to manipulate you, they're not going to succeed at all, because you have the god of protection and the god of destruction, these two major gods who protect with you. And as they say, jisko rake saiya maar sake na koi. So definitely you have that support from the universe, so nothing to worry. Okay, now let's see what the messages, love messages are for singles. Addiction, soulmate, and longing. So I feel that singles, some of you are still hooked up on your ex. You need to let go of that ex, or you need to let go of that proposal which you really wanted to work. So let go of that proposal, only then you'll be able to manifest the soulmate that you have been longing for. Okay, now let's see the messages for the married couples. Rejection, past life connection, marriage. Okay, so definitely your marriage is going to become more better. There is no doubt about it, because you are soulmates. However, I feel that some of you are still upset with your partner because of what they did in the past. So you need to forgive. You know, you got this card also of forgiveness. Okay, so you need to forgive your partner for all the times they have not really stood up for you, for all the times they did not really do what you expected them to do. Only then your marriage will move towards better times. Now let's see what runes you have got. Okay, so you have got the rune of rhythm, of movement, of travel, of journey. So definitely, let me see whether you got a card of travel. No, the earlier this had got a card of travel. So there's definitely going to be rhythm in your life, movement in your life for the better. No wonder I chose Chariot, okay, for all the three piles. So definitely, guys, expect a lot of movement towards better times, towards better situations. All right, now let's see the numbers that you have got. Oh, you got oh my god, you got 5 numbers. Okay, let's see what the numbers are. 75, 33, 31, 46, and 19. So you have got 3 threes, which means the angel, you have the support of the god, goddess, and archangels, and with gods like Shiva and Narayan, nothing is unachievable. The number 75 is telling you that a lot of changes are going to happen in your life. You're on the right path. The number 46 is telling you that all your material things will be taken care of. Do not worry. The number 19 is telling you to focus on your work, focus on service, and everything else the angels will take care of. Now let's see what crystals are telling. Okay, lovely. So you have got a selenite, which again talks about protection. So you are protected, you are safe. Also the crystal selenite talks about angelic connection. So you have that connect with the angels and they are with you. The tiger's eye talks about confidence, being more confident, bringing out the leadership qualities in you. The tiger's eye also talks about, strength, resilience. It talks about standing for what you believe in. Okay, so definitely it's talking about, that you're shielded, protected. And interestingly, selenite and tiger's eye both are for protection. So yes, you're protected, you're safe, there's nothing to worry about, everything is going to be fine the next 6 months. So guys, okay, if you this is your message. If you really like this message, do like this video, and do write in the comment section what you resonated with. Also guys, if you feel that somebody else will benefit from this video, share this video with them. And I would like to tell you that I'm so grateful to each one of you for all the love and support that you give my channel. Thank you so much guys. Please understand, these are general readings and they are not specific. Okay, so take care guys, have a great day ahead.